Hey guys, it's Aubrey. Welcome back to Aubrey Birdsall. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been really busy. Today I'm going to be showing you the Nickelodeon slime kit. And I was really excited when I saw this. And I'm going to be showing you guys the stuff that it comes with, how to make a slime, and some of the slimes I have already made. So let's go. So I'm going to show you the slimes I have already made. So I made this not a long time ago, like a few days ago. But it's this cool, like, blue and purple glittery one, and I really like it. It makes the cool sound. I think I use clear glue in this, so if I wait a couple more days, it'll turn clear, which is going to be cool. So that's my blue slime. And I made, like, it comes with a bunch of things that you can put in your slime, which I think is awesome. And it comes with, like, containers, too, so you can store your slime. The next slime I have is this pink foam slime. And it feels really good. And I want to make foam. Which is slime plus foam balls mixed foam. And it's like, here's a look. It's super cool and stretchy, and it feels really good during my fingers. And it pokes really good. Oops, I haven't turned on my tablet in a while. But that's my foam slime. The next slime I'm going to show you guys is this. This really cute, glittery foam slime. Look, and it's kind of lost its stretch, and it's kind of like bouncy, but that's okay. I can fix it. You just run it under a little bit of hot water, and it doesn't really poke. I need to fix this one, but it's a cool slime. My last slime is my most favorite. I played with it yesterday. I made it a while ago, and I added water to it, so it makes like it more firm. It makes it not more firm. It makes it like more stretchy, more slime-like. It's super cool. It has foam and glitter, and if you're like me, I'm obsessed with putting foam in my slime. Like putting foam in slime, it just makes it feel really good. And I put clear glue in this one, so you can see through. So that's all the slimes I have made. I have made 4 total, which is cool, awesome. And now I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. So it comes with a little, like, instruction sheet, some paints, clear glue, 2 bottles of normal glue, and some activator. And as you can tell, I do not have that much activator left. And it comes with some popsicle sticks that you can stir it around with, containers, and lids so you can store them. A little measuring cup for your water and your glue. A little spoon to put your paint with, and as you could tell, all the paint didn't come off. Comes with like glitter and more stuff, but I used some of the glitter and stuff, so right now I just have like the silver glitter and some googly eyes. And then I have some foam balls, and this bag used to be full, and then I used a lot of them, and they just feel really good. And it came with 2 bowls. My other bowl, if you're wondering, if you look back here, there are some assortments of bowls, and I wanted to make an iceberg slime. So I don't know if it's going to work, but in a couple of days, I'll let you guys know if it works or not. And it's this pretty, like, pink color. I like it. That's what happened to my other bowl. So now this is the part that you guys have been all waiting for me to make a slime. So I think I'm going to make just one with normal white Elmer, with the glue that it comes with. And it says you're going to fill it to 15 milliliters. So there's 15, and that means it's going to almost be all filled. So almost there. And then if you want to add a little bit more, that's totally up to you. It depends on how much slime you want to make. Then you take one of your popsicle sticks, and you just scrape it into your bowl. So I'm doing that right now. get it in your bowl, right now you can just add like whatever you want. So today I'm gonna use the googly eyes and add it to mine. I'm gonna add the googly eyes. If I could ever get it open. So I'm just gonna pour the googly eyes in. And then I'm gonna add a color. Once I get all these googly eyes in. And I'm gonna add a color, and the color I'm gonna use, some of these are scented, some of them are glow in the dark. Just depends, I don't know. So I'm gonna use this last one. I think this one is the glow in the dark one. So get a spoonful of that and just put it in. Okay. So after you do that, on the instructions, it says to get, you have to fill this whole cup up with water. So I'm going to go get water right now. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So, it says to fill the whole cup up, but it says room temperature, and I never get this exactly right. So I don't know if it's exactly room temperature. Then you just gotta mix it. It's supposed to kind of make slime, but we just haven't added the activator yet. I think I need to add more paint because it's looking like it's still normal, not like the color. And this color is like very light, so I don't know if it's just me. I just can't see the color. That's good. Okay. So now you just you mix them all together until most of the color is all in. And if you're wondering, I put a paper towel under mine, so if I spill it, it won't actually get on the table. It will get on the paper towel. But after you mix it, you're gonna want to add, what does it say? Like 5 milliliters of activator. So 5 milliliters. Okay, well, I'm just gonna wing it. 5 milliliters. So after that, you just gotta mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. And then a tip that we learned when I was making my first slime, which is the pink foam slime, it was like, like when you for this, if you add too much activator, it turns watery. So we kept adding more glue. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding more glue. Ooh, comment down below what other videos you want to see for slime. I will totally do it. I love making slime. Whoa. If you see those things puffing up, those are the eyeballs. And then I just keep adding more glue to make sure all the water is worked into my slime. And it doesn't give you that much, but you could easily just go to the store and get I think the activator is borax or something like that. So anything basically you can get. So it doesn't matter if it's contact solution or anything like that. So once your slime, you just gotta whip your slime around really good to make it super good. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just super mixing it. And then this is what I learned from a YouTuber. You dip your finger in and if it none sticks to your finger, that means your slime is just right. So try. None stuck to my finger, but let's just keep mixing it just to be safe. Oh wow, that sounds cool. Wow, I was about to just lose all my slime out of the bowl. Well, whoa. Okay, whoa. Well, great. Let's pick this up, and then once you're done, you just gotta play with it. You just gotta play with it. Mine is really sticky. Come on, make slime. You could do it. I think. Oh, yeah. Okay, that is cool. And hear this noise. Isn't that a cool noise? Oh, no. Wow, I'm just failing. This is like a fail. Maybe I should add more glue to it. I don't know. More glue. I have it all over my fingers now. It's like really sticky. None of my other slimes turned out like this. My other slimes were like firm. Oh, more glue. Ugh. There we go. Okay, I got a lot more glue. Let's just mix it around again. Maybe a little bit more activator. Like a drop. Make sure all the glue is like there. Oh wow. Slime making. What's your favorite thing to do in your spare time? Mine is to make slime. So, let's just scoop it into my hand. Okay, take 2 about slime. Oh wow, this is cool. Well, grab a lid. I think I might need to put this away soon. But look at this. It's like really cool but really sticky. Maybe I just need to play with it for a while. I don't know. Leave me advice down in the comments. Oh, and if you guys want me to mix all my slimes together and make a slime smoothie, put that down in the comments below too. Because maybe I'll do that. Whoa, this is like super cool. Guys, go buy the Nickelodeon slime kit and do this slime. Wait, is this the glow in the dark? I think this is. I think I took the glow in the dark paint because there's glow in the dark paint. So, let's put this in a little thing and poke it because I want to see how good it pokes. Let's see if this is a slime. If this is a good slime or a bad slime. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Okay, get off my fingers. A lot of it is, like, most of it is stuck on my fingers. I'm, like, struggling here. Okay. That's stuck on my hand. Let's see. Oh, wow, that doesn't, see, look. Oh, wow. You just have to go fast with it. You can't, like, dip your finger in and, or else it just gets stuck. I can see it's trying to not to be that sticky anymore, but it's not working that good. Well, I think I need to wipe my hands off. Whoa. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Love you guys. Subscribe to Aubrey Birdsell and Aubrey Birdsell Vlogs. Love you guys. Bye.